stuck outside this shit, man. That's crazy. Look at this. That shit ain't playing with a player. I'm out here in it too, man. That shit been lighting up like nuts. That whole shit been sparking. Light up the whole sky. Yeah. So bad right down, player. Oh, I was trying to switch the camera. This is not gonna let me do that. Turn my camera around. I guess that's what happens when you have that's what happens when you have cheap Android phones, yo. They don't let you switch the camera around in mid-video. Imagine that. Anyway, that's where I'm at. Stuck like a truck. God damn it.